Guys, this is my third video. Today I'm going to show you how to know the saved Wi-Fi password. For that, just go to start and then click on control panel. Then here in the network and internet, just click on that. Next, go to network and sharing center. Here in the internet connections, Wi-Fi you have connected, just click on that. And then just click on wireless properties. Here in the security, you just click on show characters. By clicking on this, you can find out the Wi-Fi password that you have already connected. Thank you guys.